Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wild. Today we are talking about this happened to me on DoorDash. Customer says McDonald's accidentally listed their chocolate milk for free on UberEats. Orders 13. So as we all know, restaurants have every right to list their items for any price they want, and some of them even charge extra because they're on a delivery platform to offset the cost. But this time it is accidentally put on the menu for free, and some customers, and a lot of customers really, love to take advantage of that. So with that said, I want to go over what is being said in this article, how it actually is for restaurants, customers, gig workers that work with them, and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. Glitches in food apps seem to be more common lately, from a woman who accidentally ordered 10 slices of cheese at Chick-fil-A to one where Chick-fil-A piled a woman's sandwich with pickles. In a viral TikTok, a man claimed that McDonald's accidentally listed their chocolate milk as free on Uber Eats, resulting in him ordering 13. Doesn't matter if it's the restaurant app themselves or DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. The glitches have been kind of insane as of late, and some of which is actually costing DoorDash drivers, Uber Eats drivers, and Grubhub drivers money because of the app glitches on their end. But this time it's actually causing some good gains by the customers. The video was uploaded by TikTok user Meseans at Meseans, where he revealed a plastic bag full of small chocolate milk bottles. I'm going to leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Me when McDonald's accidentally lists their chocolate milk for free on Uber Eats, he wrote in the overlay text, zooming in on all the mini bottles. I'm pretty sure that the McDonald's actually has like a default setting for all of the items, so if anything, this isn't a one McDonald's thing, this is an every McDonald's thing, so that's odd. The Daily Dot reached out to Meseans via TikTok and Uber Eats via press email regarding the video. The video garnered over 782,000 views as of Saturday, where many viewers claimed it brought back childhood memories. The things you do for content, huh? These just taste like childhood road trips. Oh my god, one viewer said. You know, that's a good point. Like, how often do you actually drink chocolate milk? I'm not gonna lie, I've yoo-hoos more than once in my adulthood, but I guess there is a point to be said that it does bring back memories for childhoods. Those are so good. You just made me remember this. I haven't had one since I was a child, another echoed. Like, for real, I haven't had it in years as a kid, though. A third agreed. Yeah, most people would just stick with the fountain drinks as an adult now. And not to mention, chocolate milks are not the same size as a fountain drink anyway, so most people would opt for that. But getting one for free, now you're gonna gain so much more than a fountain drink. Some proposed the reason why the chocolate milk might have been listed as free, with one user speculating they were probably about to expire. Ooh, that's an interesting point. Like, if the chocolate milks are about to expire, you need to get rid of them. But wouldn't you try to lower the cost to like 99 cents or something as opposed to stating it for free? Like, what's going on there? They do that because they aren't selling fast enough and they're going to expire, usually, one viewer suggested. I swear these are always sold 2 days before they expire, a second wrote. Better check Expo. My daughter's always expired in her Happy Meal, a third recommended. Actually, now that we have this information, let me know in the comments. Would you order, knowing it was free, the chocolate milks, knowing now that they're probably going to be expired by the time you receive them? Let me know. Others share their experiences with ordering free food on delivery apps. One time, Buffalo Wild Wings glitch, I got 200 wings for 99 cents for a party. LOLOL, one person shared. 99 cents for 200 wings. That's less than a penny per wing. I would be all over that. I would get friends to come over, not even because we all like Buffalo Wild Wings, but because of the inherent value of eating that many wings. Like, come on, that would be amazing. I remember this one time, like at 3 a.m., I went on DoorDash and I went to IHOP at this breakfast thing was free with pancakes and everything. A second commented. 3 a.m. I don't know if I would order IHOP at 3 a.m., but hey, it's a possibility. That happened to me on DoorDash with the kids' meals, LOL. I ordered like 5, a third stayed. Hey, that kid was not gonna be thirsty, I'll tell you what. UberEats offers different discounts and promos on their app. Some being spend $20 and save $5 to get a free food item when you spend $20 and more. However, it is unclear whether there was a glitch resulting in free food or if McDonald's was attempting to get rid of the product. Usually those promos are set by the restaurant, so who knows really. Not to mention, some of the Uber Eats offers are actually from Uber Eats. Like there's an actual promo if you spend like over $25, you can save 40%, but only up to $35 worth of food, which was kind of weird, but oh well. Either way, you could save 10 to 15 bucks on Uber Eats orders that way. It's the only time I ever order on Uber Eats. Last year, DoorDash had this issue where people were placing orders without being charged. There were customers who were ordering items in bulk, thus leaving customers eventually charged with hundreds and others thousands of dollars. As one user put it, the back charge is gonna be crazy. Ah yes, the legendary DoorDash glitch. I actually made the video talking all about that. I made a couple of videos on it, but we'll just leave the main one in there. I'll leave it in the description. Feel free to check it out. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. Honestly, there was a lot of insight on here that I wasn't expecting. I was going into this assuming that there was a glitch on Uber Eats, but actually speaking, there was a legitimate reason that all of those chocolate milks were for free to begin with. So I'm actually really intrigued about that personally. Now, that being said, how far past the expiration date you'll actually get those chocolate milks for, who knows? But the fact that you could get chocolate milk for free, it's not a bad concept. Like, you gotta drink them quickly, but hey, you could get 13 of them for the all-time low price of $3.99. Come on. All in all, if you ever get an order with a lot of chocolate milks, just understand that there's a legitimate reason for it. It's not necessarily the platform glitching out or McDonald's trying to do something for a promo. It's just an inventory issue, which honestly I think is pretty cool to know at this point. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!